Here's a really common issue with an outlet that is shockingly easy to solve. This is the outlet in our bathroom that is used for the hair dryer, and it becomes very loose over time as people dry their hair and move the dryer around. It kind of wiggles the outlet and it loosens up over time. So I'm going to tell you just a quick way to fix this. I'm not an electrician. Make sure you shut off the power. Use either one of these proximity testers, which will tell you if you've got live current here, or preferably if you use one of these testers, it'll tell you that you've got power here. That's what these two lights are for. I'm gonna go shut off our breaker and then be right back. Okay, now you can see our lights are out. I'm gonna double check on the top here. Yeah, so the power is totally out. All the lights are out. Now we know we're safe to work on this. Okay, I'm gonna get a work light on so I can see what I'm doing. All right, there we go. And all we need to do on this is we need to take the outlet cover off. And we'll be able to see what's going on behind there. Oh yeah, and if you're working in a bathroom, make sure to close your drain to your sink because these little screws tend to get away from you pretty easily, and you'll have a whole other project to work on if you lose one of these screws down the sink. Okay, so let's get our outlet cover off. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, yeah, so you can see it's just very loose. So very simply, all you're going to do is going to kind of make sure it's nice and straight. And I can tell just from wobbling this a little bit that this bottom screw is just loose. So we're going to tighten that up just a little bit. And now it's not going anywhere. So all we have to do now is put the plate back on, and then we'll go get the power back on and your outlet will be good as new.